Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create captions for your video right inside of Canva. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is add your video.
Hey there.
I'm going to pause that. We don't want to hear anything just yet. And you can expand it however you choose to design. I usually like to just right click it and then set the video as background so it fits perfectly in there. Now we're going to bring this arrow back all the way to the beginning. And the process of creating captions in Canva is text split, text split. And this will make a lot more sense to you once you see me do it. So the first thing we're going to do is hit the word T, and that's going to add text. It's really tiny here, so I'm going to make that bigger. And we want to be able to see what we're doing. So I'm going to add a background to that. And I don't want it to be yellow. I want it to be easy on the eyes to read. And I'm going to make the text white. All right. You can make the color and text whatever color you want. This is just so you can see how it's done as I go along. All right. So what you're going to do is listen to the video until you hear a pause. And then that's where you're going to stop it, type the text in, and then you're going to split it for the next section. Let's go ahead and start that.
Hey there, it's Christy here. And we're going to do.
So you heard that little pause there. Let me do that again.
Hey there, it's Christy here. And
so I'm going to pause right there, and I'm going to type exactly what I just said. Hey there, it's Christy here, and I want to try to keep that on one line, so I'm going to do that. Now you see where that arrow and the line here is. You're going to right click it, split page. Then we're going to listen for the next pause.
We're going to do just a real quick video to kind of.
Okay. We're going to do a real quick video. I think I said 2. If you don't get it exactly right, it's perfectly fine. You can go back and get the words exactly. But for now, we just want to get them in there. So I've got that. I'm going to right click and split again and listen for the next pause.
Introduce you to creating websites in Canva.
So you see what I'm doing here. It's really just text split. Introduce you to creating websites in Canva. That's what I just said there. All right. And then we're going to split again. See, it's just a very repetitive process. You'll keep doing this same thing over and over until you get to the end of the video. And this video is 1.5 minutes, so I'm not going to make you sit here through the whole thing. I'm going to fast forward to the end, and then we'll go over the finished product and clean it up a little bit, and then show you how it all works. So I have finished putting all the text in, did text split, text and split whole way through. And we're going to go back to the beginning of the video. And then this is where you want to go and just clean up where you might have missed a few words, or if you want to change anything as far as the styling or anything like that. So this is how it's going to look once you get all the words to match.
Hey there, it's Christy here. And we're going to do just a real quick video to introduce you to creating websites in Canva. Now, when you're going to go to create a website in Canva, you're going to go to your Canva dashboard, and up here where it says create a design, all you have to do is click that button and then just
Looks like I have just a little typo, but you can see now how this works. Once you've gone through that process, all you have to do is make little edits here and there.
type in website.
Fix that there.
So right now you wouldn't have to worry about,
I'll just add the little words. Okay.
what type of website, just say website, and that's going to take you to the right dimensions for creating a website. And now this is, of course, if you were going to just do something from scratch, but then you can further go into styles, which you'll see that there's these different styles here. Let's just pop one in there just to show you.
All right, so I could go through the rest of that video. I've got most of the words in pretty closely, but then if you missed a word or two, misspelled, whatever, that's why don't worry about being perfect the first time you go through it, because then you can go back, just like you saw me do here, and make any edits to it. So that's how easy it is to create captions in Canva. It is a little bit of an extra step, but there may be certain situations where you want to have your captions right in Canva, or you don't have software that adds those captions automatically for you. So that is how it works. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can catch more tutorials just like this. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.